the recent raids by the Enforcement Directorate on persons suspected to be land grabbers of the Comunidade land of Assagao. So, after knowing the fact, the managing committee decided to hold this press conference to substantiate and to bring it out in the public domain about the various frauds that has happened in this Comunidade of Assagao. And to this, the attorney, Mr. Nelson Fernandes, has given the chronology of the events of this land frauds.
We want to actually, highlight what fraud is done in Assagao also, because the same people and the same modus operandi is being used by these people even in Assagao. The forging of documents, the doctoring of old documents, the tearing of pages from the tombo, the writing of the tombo, all this is being done by the same fraudsters. And these fraudsters are Shiv Shankar Mahekar and his wife Vanita Mahekar. They are there, party to it. Then Yashwant Sawant and Meenakshi Sawant and Sudesh Parsekar and Supriya Parsekar. So Sudesh Parsekar and Supriya Parsekar have scammed the Comunidade of Assagao for 1 lakh square meters in a total property of 2,21,000 square meters. Shiv Shankar Mahekar has built his project on 18,600 square meters, and Yashwant Sawant is trying to grab 44,000 square meters from a declared tenant by the name of Prakash Harmalkar, who is the son of Ganu Harmalkar, who was declared as a tenant. Okay, and we see that Yashwant Sawant is involved in all the 3 scams actually. 4 scams. The fourth one is where Comunidade of Assagao had given 50,900 square meters to Agnel Charities, which operates a technical engineering college, Agnel Engineering College. So Comunidade of Assagao gave 50,900. Out of that, Shiv Shankar Mahekar and Yashwant Sawant both are trying to grab 2,850 square meters from the Agnel Charities. And the Comunidade of Assagao has challenged this thing in court, and plus the Agnel Charities also has put a case on them. So this is the 4th scam that is there. So all these properties total up to 1,54,000 square meters in all, and we are very happy with the investigation of the ED, and whatever support, help, documents they want from us, we are ready to give, because our aim is to save our properties under any circumstances.